Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a dripping effect in Canva. So you can see right here, you can see the drip, and I'm going to show you how to create this kind of drip in your Canva. And without further ado, let's dive in. First, let's create a new page. And in this new page, first, you have to import the image you need, and the image right here. Let's search for an image. I think I have a image right here, so this is the image I'll be using. I'm using this image, and I'm going to remove the background. And right here I've already removed the background right now, and you can see right here I've removed the background. And after removing the background, you can search for dripping effects or dripping. You can see we have so many suggestions right here. You can see, so I'm going to click on this one. So after clicking on this one, you have to position it at the bottom of the image where you want the dripping to start, and I'll be putting the dripping at the at this area. And after that, you have to change the color to black. You have to change the color to black, so let the dripping match the size of the image and position it very well. And I'm going to change this dripping to black, so change the color to something like black color. You can see right here I've changed it to black color, and click on the image. After you click on the image, click on edit. After you click on edit, go downward and click on filter. When you click on filter, you can scroll to the bottom where you can find the custom effects. See right here, you can see the custom. When you click on custom, you can change this color to black because you'll be using black. After that, you can position the drip very well. After you position it to your own taste, you can now you can export this image. After you export it, let me click on share, and I'll be clicking on download. I'll be clicking on the second page. So I'll be clicking on the second page. After I download it, so let's save. After I've downloaded it, I can drop it back here and see that I've created a new, I've imported the image. After I've imported it, now I have to go back and import the actual image I used before. This actual image. Now let me remove the background again, and I'm going to crop it back to the actual level I used. And after cropping, you can select the you can come right here at the app. When you come here at the app, you can search for blend image, a blend image logo. Then select at the bottom right here, select the image we imported before and click on use it at the bottom layer. So you click on the black as the bottom layer, use it as the bottom layer, and the one and click on this image right here and use it at the top layer. So use a selected image. And after you've done that, you can click on screen. You change the effect preview to screen, and from there right here you can see the image is not positioning very well. You can click on the adjust top layer. When you click on adjust, you can come right here and scroll. Let's change the to fill, and after let's change it back to fill and reduce it. and let's reduce the size. I think the scaling is still a little bigger. Okay, I think we are reaching the point right here. Okay, and after that, okay, I think the position is getting okay right there. Sometimes you have to be a little patient, so you can do something like 1.2. And after you have done that, you can click on add design. You see here that though the design is not perfect right here, this is how you can create the dripping effect. So if you learn something, don't forget to follow and subscribe for more videos.